Happy Raksha Bandhan. Today, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, let us create a small animation of Raksha Bandhan. We will create this project online. You can create either online or offline as we have shown you in our previous video of Introduction to Scratch. So let's start our project. As this is a project of Rakhi, so we don't want cat sprite in our project. We need a Rakhi. We already have a image of Rakhi. We will provide the link of this image in the description. So this is the image of Rakhi which we want in our project. We will teach you in our future videos how you can download the image from the net and you can remove the background of that image to use that image as a sprite in your project. So here we have this image. The link of this image will be provided in the description. So first let us see how can we move this Rakhi. We want the motion in this Rakhi. So we start our project with the block when flag is clicked. Okay, let us turn this Rakhi. So let us take, okay, first let me take that turn 15 degree. Okay, so when we will click green flag, it will turn 15 degree. Right? So I have clicked the green flag, it turned 15 degree clockwise. Every time when we are clicking the green flag, it is turning. Let us now put this block of forever, means turn forever 15 degree. Now when we click the green flag, see what is happening. It is turning with a fast, it is turning fast with a faster speed. So what we can do here, we can give a wait in between, a wait afterwards. See, now the speed is very slow, so we can reduce our duration, wait duration. So this is 0.5. okay, let us go for 0.1. so this is done. If you want this movement, okay, now let us stop this. Let us start our project. Right? Okay, suppose you want to turn your Rakhi 90 degree. Let's see. 0.5. It is up to you that what type of animation you want to give. So here we have given turn 90 degree, so forever it is turning 90 degree. Or you can say turn 10 degree. If you want to reduce the weight, you can reduce the weight. So here let us choose this movement. Okay, now let us write the text Happy Raksha Bandhan. For that we need another sprite, and we'll choose paint option so that we can write. So here click this text option and we can write here Now select this text and you can see this drag arrow. You can drag this text to format this font. You can place it at whatever location, at whatever position you want. So can you see this Rakhi is coming over this text? So now we will choose this Rakhi sprite and in the looks block we will take this, go to back layer. Now it is going behind. If you will click this front layer, now we need to write code for this text. For this text of Happy Raksha Bandhan. So we will again take this block when the flag is clicked. Now for this sprite we want to change the color of this text. So we have this option of change color effect. So when I will click this, you can see the color of this text is changing. But we want this to be happen automatically forever. So we will again click this control block and we will take this loop of forever, and now this text will change automatically. If you want to give some delay, you can put some delay. (0.1) or you can increase, suppose 0.3. If you want to change the position, if you want to bring it somewhat towards left, you can drag it, and you first choose this select one, this select cursor, and you can bring it left side. Yes. Now let us take one more sprite. Let us take one more sprite of gift. This. We have this sprite within Scratch only. You can click your left button of the mouse and you can drag this gift at this position. Now we have written the code for Rakhi. We have written the code for the text sprite Happy Raksha Bandhan. Now let us write the code for this gift sprite. So the same code for this gift sprite. So you can press your left button of the mouse and you can drag this code for this sprite. Now when you click this sprite, this code automatically comes here. You can see this code over here for this sprite, for gift sprite. Now when we click the green flag, the Rakhi is moving. As we have given the animation to the Rakhi, the text is changing its color effect and the gift is changing the color effect. Now if you want to give background to your project, you can click this backdrop, the backdrop over here. You can click this, or you can directly go from here, this choose a backdrop. From that option, from the costumes we will do in the future video, you can go here and choose a backdrop. Okay, you can take the heart one also. If you want, you can take heart one also. So this is good, this one is good. So, and if you want to put in this project, you can write the code for that also. So we have again taken when the flag is clicked forever. So let us play a sound. So when you click, there is no sound option, so you can choose a sound. So various files are available, various audio files are available. So let us choose that cave audio file, this one. So okay, now we have this audio file in our project. This is the sound. So let us go. Now let us use this sound in our project. So click sound blocks, and here we can take play sound cave until done, right? So now if you will click the green flag, so this is our project of Raksha Bandhan. So now let us first save this project. So let us rename our project. And if you are saving this project, let me first stop this. You can click this red button to stop your project. So if you are saving your project online, you can click the file and click save now. So project saved, done. So let us now click this full screen control. Let us now see the demo of our project. Click the green flag. So here our project goes. Hope you like this project. If you like this project, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.